Welcome to our channel. Today we how to protect your property value with NextHome detailed guide step by step clearly. Understanding how to protect your property value is essential for any homeowner. The first step is to conduct regular maintenance on your property. Check for any signs of wear and tear, such as peeling paint or damaged roofing. Address these issues promptly to prevent them from escalating. Next, keep your landscaping in top shape. A well-maintained yard enhances curb appeal and attracts potential buyers. Consider hiring a professional landscaper for seasonal upkeep. Another important step is to keep records of all repairs and improvements. This documentation can prove invaluable during a property appraisal. Regularly assess property values in your neighborhood. Stay informed about market trends and local developments. Invest in energy-efficient upgrades to your home. These improvements not only reduce utility costs but also increase home value. Consider renovating outdated spaces, such as kitchens and bathrooms. Modern features can significantly boost your home's market appeal. Utilize NextHome resources for tailored property insights. Their tools can help you understand your property's current worth. Engage with a NextHome agent for expert advice tailored to your situation. They have extensive knowledge of local real estate markets. If you're renting out your property, screen tenants thoroughly. This minimizes risks and helps maintain property integrity. Lastly, monitor your property regularly, even if you are not living there. By keeping a close eye, you can address issues before they become major problems. Following these steps can help ensure your property retains its value over time. Protecting your investment is crucial for financial security and peace of mind. With the right strategies, you can safeguard your property for years to come. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.